Sunsets low, the lights begin to rise. We gather close, with wonder in our eyes. The castle glows, the music softly swells. In moments pure, where all is truly well. The fireworks burst, they paint the velvet sky. With tears of joy, we whisper no goodbye. The magic stays, long after all the show. In hearts that hold this love and let it grow.